Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today, I will do some options trading. It is week number 21. Today is May 25th of 2021. So this is week number 21 of my options trading challenge. I'm trying to do over 1,500 trades this year. So let's see how I do this year, but follow along with me. If you're on Facebook, join this group, Investing 102. I'll teach you how to level up your thinking. Let's just check out what markets are doing. Let's go to Yahoo Finance. Let's take a quick look. Markets are green in the morning. It is turning a bit red. Bitcoin looks pretty, I don't want to say it's good. It's been good relative to the last week. It's been really red all week. Actually, it was much higher earlier, but it's sort of coming back down. So we'll see what happens as the market continues on. We loaded up ETrade, and what I want to do is close a position, but I wanted to show you what I'm doing. So if you look at these here, this is an iron condor. I have 8 contracts. I want to show you how to do the math real quick. You'll see this here. If you just pull the numbers from here, it shows you how much I paid. So here is I received, or not paid, but my cost. I got 75 cents up front, and it is telling me I can close it for 54 cents. And what you don't realize is I actually rolled this one closer. This was the untested side, and I actually rolled this down. This used to be like a 435, and I moved the $6 down. I collected more premium, and so now it's time for me to take a profit, because if you do the math, I'll make some money. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll show you what I'll do afterwards. And you can see this. It's going to cost me $440 to close, but don't forget they pay me the premium up front. So here's what I'm looking at. I'm going to do a July 16, which is 50 some odd days out. And just to look at some of the odds, I'm going to pick something pretty safe, something like right around here. You see that 2 or 3% chance of happening. Minus 11 delta is a 273 or 272. And on the short call side, I'm looking at this 442, just like a race car motor. I'm looking at a 10 delta or 15% chance of happening. I'm okay with going a little bit higher risk on this side because my 401k plan will be worth more. So some people say, why don't you go higher? Well, the market has been really strong, but I'm willing to take this type of chance. So this is doable. I'm going to go in for 9 contracts. You can see that even with $18 commission, I'm going to collect $1,000 today. So I'll show you what this looks like. Here's the impact to my, here you go. The impact is, it's a lot of money here. It's taking about $10,000 of buying power, but I'm willing to do that. And real quickly, you'll see that the 9 just went across right here at 221. And real quickly, I have more of these iron condors. You see this? So I'm going to try to close this one out. This is the June 4. And the markets did reverse back down, so it's a good time for me to close this one out. So this is the June 4. I'm going to close that one down. Hit the close button. Cost me $33 to close out. Worst case scenario, oh, that's wrong. I looked at it wrong. It's $54. So let's do that. We'll close that one down. This one only has 3 contracts, so we'll close this one. And again, it releases some of the buying power back. Here's another one I can close down. I have 2 contracts of this one. This one only going to cost me about 37 or 38. So I'm going to close that down also. Again, that means I capture most of the premium, and I'm just going to end these right now. And then I'm going to open some new ones 40, 50 days out, and I just repeat the process. So that's really all I'm doing. Nothing fancy here. And here I go. I'm trying to put on a new iron condor. This one is whatever it is, 38 days out. It's pretty wide, pretty safe. It's a free 78 for the short put and 440 for the short call. That brings this video to an end. I did have to take a break and pause in taping. So the market is over. It's now 5 o'clock. Market is closed. You see what happened. Market ended down. Whether it's a good day to trade or not does not really matter. Again, some of us are non-directional. What we try to do is play it for both conditions regardless of what happens. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this particular video. See my playlist. I have a whole bunch of different videos. I love teaching. I love explaining stuff through math. And don't forget, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. Have a profitable day. Bye-bye.